In this lecture, we will write code to keep track of the score in our game. Let's create a function named increaseScore. It will take in one parameter named index. Inside of this function, we will use the global keyword to reference the global score variable. Then we will have an if, elif statement. If the index is less than 4, we know that the enemy is one of the boss Galagas at the top. We will add 150 to the score if the player destroys a boss Galaga. If the index is less than 16, we know that the enemy is one of the butterflies. If that is the case, we will add 80 to the score. If the index is less than 40, we know that the enemy destroyed is a bee, so we will increment the score by 50. The next step is to actually set the score on the screen. We will use the clear method to clear the score text. Then we will set the color to red. After that, we will use the goTo function to position the text at an X position of -200 and a Y position of 170. Finally, we will write the text to the screen using the write method, passing in the score cast to a string as the first argument, a font of style as the second argument, and an align value of center as the third argument. Now we just need to call our function. Inside of the shoot function, we will add a call to increase score and pass in J before the enemy turtle is deleted. Now let's run the code. When we shoot the enemies, you will notice that the score increases. In the next lecture, we will write code to keep track of the high score in our game.